Hello everyone, this is Dr. Leena. Today I will just give details of the plant Dwarf Ixora, its growing and how to care this plant. This is known as Dwarf Ixora plant that soy flowers make it a fabulous essence plant and small shrub. The Ixora plant is loved by many because it produces cluster of star-shaped flowers all year head around, and each cluster consists of flowers that come in red, yellow, pink and orange color, but I have only two. I saw in this video only two flowers, that is yellow and red colors. And cluster of these charming blooms are scattered randomly throughout the whole plant and are usually seen at the tip of the upright stems of the plants. This is also some type of hardy plants. You can see this is dwarf and hardy also. And dwarf Ixora are popularly used as a low heads, 2 to 3 feet tall, because of their shrub from the compact appearance. This flowering shrub looks attractive when it blooms profusely. However, after blooming, it will take some time for the Ixora to rebloom. And you can see the flowers, it is a beautiful color. The birds of the old saying, you can't see the forest for the trees, and you will have one of the applies to heads. You can't see the plants for the heads. This is also a big beautiful flowers, and long before Ixora was used as a house plants, and this can be your outdoor only plants because the flower are blooming every day. I saw the larger Ixora plant with a bright red flower also used as a formal hedge in southern Florida also. And this type of flowers are everywhere in the world, and it is a tropical plant also. And this is belong to the Rubiaceae family, and it is 4 or 5 different genus also: Ixora cochineal, Ixora pinilsonia. So I am not mentioning each all, and some views of these plants. And you can see this is Ixora taiwanensis, common name Dwarf Ixora, plant type perennial, semi-tropical flowering shrub, height 2 to 3 feet tall, width 3 to 4 feet wide, light grown best in the full sun. That's why I said this is a outdoor plants. And fertilizer with an acid loving fertilizer in spring and summer. And in some notes, soy flowers does well in seaside setting, salt tolerant, wonderful accent plants, blooms from spring until fall, and the flowers are at least if it blooms today, then it will survive for at least 1 week and above. So this is a beautiful color also. You can see this is a red color and the birds are there. And the evergreen flowering shrub with a glossy green opposite leaves, as you might expect from its use as hedge material. It is amenable to being cut back severely or sapped whenever necessary, and never allow the evergreen Ixora shrub to become a root bound in a pot smaller than the ultimate size for wanted, and pot large plants firmly in coarse and toughy materials. And in terrace also we can keep it in a small pots. You can also use the big pot for these plants. And established plant usually produce 3 flower crops a year, but with Ixora heads, flowers being so long lasting and such a short resting period, plants bloom almost constantly and they start flowering when small. And the most commonly seen variety is scarlet flowers, and other varieties produce cluster of pure white, pink, red and orange. And these are the very beautiful plants, beautiful colors also. These are vibrant colors, and the bloom are extremely showy, having long slender tubes, corollas with 4 sometimes 5 widespread lobes and bone full heads. And this is acid loving, these are the acid loving plants, prefer acidic soil over in alkaline soil, but in terrace also it is not so much a problem. So you can make it, and the care also not necessary. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel.